Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, Beverage Director at Taste Catering, back with 1 Minute Cocktails. I'm excited to celebrate Pride, 4th of July, and summer with fresh basil. Today we'll make a Basil Gimlet. The first step here is, of course, to muddle the basil. So I'm going to grab 4 basil leaves, and then I'm going to add 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice and 2 ounces of gin. Then I'm going to grab my muddler and muddle these leaves. And 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and then I'm going to add some ice, seal, and shake. You can support Hospitality Helps, which gives meals to those in need during the pandemic, by buying some of these ice cubes. You get 5 cubes for $10 at blindtigerice.com. You can just strain that cocktail right over the top. Beautiful green color with a little bit of basil leaf. Then choose a basil leaf which you want to slap to release the oils. Look at that. Donations to Hospitality Helps are tax deductible, but you can also support Taste by buying our 4th of July box. Go to tastecatering.com for more information. Thanks for watching. That's very good.